Hello everyone, my name is Ms Sumaiya Rahman. I'm from EdBase. So today I'm here to talk about IELTS writing tests. So I've heard a lot of complaints about not being able to start your essay, not being able to come up with a proper introduction. Well, that is because you guys don't know the proper structure. Today I will discuss and teach you how to start or how to write an introduction of your essay. There are 4 things that you have to keep in mind when you're writing the introduction of your essay. The first thing is the hook. The second one would be rephrasing the topic statement, and the third one the thesis statement, and the fourth one would be your opinion. So today we have a topic which says some people think tests and examinations are important to measure a student's performance. To what extent do you agree? Alright. So the 4 main ways of starting your introduction is 1. The hook, 2. Rephrase the topic statement, 3. The thesis statement. This one is very important. A lot of people miss out on this. And number 4 is your opinion. So when you're writing your IELTS testing answer, forget about the hook. When you're writing this essay, I would suggest you that forget about the hook. The reader doesn't need to know how interesting you are. Rather, jump to the topic. Rephrase the statement. Rephrase this statement. Some people think tests and examinations are important to measure a student's performance. Rephrase this in your own words. Use other words or from your imagination or from your vocabulary. Say something like, it is important, or school systems use tests and examinations to measure how good a student's performance is. Go simple. For the first time when you're sitting for your examination, go simple. You do not have to make everything very complicated. That is how you get confused. Alright? And then, coming to the third point, this is very important, the thesis statement. So what does a thesis statement do, or what is the function of a thesis statement? This is the argument of your argumentative essay. Here you say the counterpart of this statement. If some people think that tests and examinations are important, this is how you answer your IELTS writing test, task 2. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask us your queries. We'll be here to answer all your questions, and all the links are given in the description below. Thank you.